Dear students, today I am going to teach you the chapters related to derivative. Derivative. It is the much more interesting chapter related to mathematics, and basically for the 11th and 12th students must have the better concepts related to this chapter, derivative. First of all, derivative is the word, and it is similar to say that differential coefficient. Differential coefficient. Coefficient. Either you tell derivative or either you tell differential coefficient, both term are same. Both term are same. So you should have to take a concept that derivative and differential coefficient both are same terms and have the same meanings. But the new concept I am going to give you that derivative can also be considered as the slope of tangent. Slope of tangent. Or jointly we can tell that derivative, differential coefficient and slope of tangent all have the same meaning. All have the same meaning. So first of all, how you can say that it is slope of tangent? I'm just going to explain about it. So let us consider I am going to take one graph. Suppose this graph is said to be y is equal to fx. We can say that function of x is equal to y. From the beginning of standard 8, 9, 10 you have read that function. So just simply you can understand function of x is said to be y. So y is equal to fx is a graph just I have drawn here. Now suppose we are going to take a point here. This point is said to be x comma y. X comma y. It is the point x comma y. So finally we can say that x and y means what? Fx. You can write x and y is equal to fx. Either you write y, either you write fx, because y is the function of x. So simply you understand xy is also said to be x comma fx, because fx is equal to y. Here I have just mentioned. So you understand x comma y. Now if I draw perpendicular to the x-axis line, so this distance is said to be x. This distance is said to be x. I am going to take another point here. Another point here. So this point is the increment of h in x component. So this point you can consider here x plus h. X plus h. This point x plus h. Now you tell me, if this is x, you have understand f comma x. So this point you can easily write here x plus h comma f x plus h, simply because if you suppose x, then it becomes fx. If I suppose x plus h, it becomes fx plus h. X fx, x plus h, fx plus h. Now you have altogether 2 points. The first point is x comma fx, second point is x plus h, comma fx plus h. Now join these two points. When you join these 2 points, you get a straight line. You get a straight line. So here points are x comma fx and x plus h comma fx plus h. So slope of a straight line here, what is the slope of a straight line? You better know that y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. It is the slope of a straight line. But one thing, now I am going to deviate this step. How I am going to deviate this step? Look at here. It is x plus h. It is x plus h. So what is the gap here? The gap is h. But if I want to make the gap 0, so x plus h, the gap is h here. If this gap is supposed to be 0, or it is going to be 0, then what happens? Here is x plus h. But if h becomes 0, then these 2 points become single point. It is x plus h. So if the gap between them is considered to be 0 or going to be 0, then these 2 points make a single point. And if these 2 points collide at one point, what we say? We say tangent. So if we are going to say h tends to 0, means h is going to be 0 or h is equals to be 0, then what we say? We say slope of tangent. Now a straight line becomes tangent. Here it is slope of a straight line, but when h tends to 0, there will be no any gap, then this straight line change into tangent. So now we read fx plus h minus fx, and this x plus h minus x, it gives you h. So slope of tangent fx plus h minus fx by h, and this slope of tangent is said to be f dash x limit h tends to 0 fx plus h minus fx by h, and it is said to be derivative. We can say f dash x is derivative. Either you say f dash x, either you say derivative. Both terms are same. So finally you have to take the concept. It is also said to be delta y by delta x, So f dash x by derivative, f dash x is said to be derivative, and here delta y by delta x limit delta x tends to 0 equals to dy by dx. So f dash x is said to be dy by dx when the condition is that limit delta x tends to 0 delta y by delta x. So my dear students, from now you have to take a concept that limit delta x tends to 0 delta y by delta x is equal to dy by dx. Here y is said to be function of x. In this way it is said to be dy by dx. Now second question is that how can we calculate derivative. So this question I will mention you and I will give my lecture next time. Thank you all of you.